I did put up a previous video on the subject of the Lego Barad Dur, but by all accounts I spelt the name wrong, so I've been asked by my wife and my youngest daughter to reload it onto YouTube with the correct spelling. I didn't take any video of the actual build of the kit, which in my view seemed to go on forever. Now I suppose I have to start off by saying that really I am not a great Lego fan, and in some ways nor am I a huge fan of Lord of the Rings, although I did read The Hobbit and the Ring trilogy about 5 or 6 decades ago. That said, there is a huge Lego following within the family, being 2 of my daughters, my son-in-law, and now it seems the missus. These are a few clips showing various stages of the build which Hannah and Angela worked on together. Okay. And that bit is the what?
The Palantir.
What is a Palantir?
It's how Sauron's able to be nosy with what his neighbours are doing.
Oh, that ball thing.
Yeah.
You tell how much I know, can't you?
Yeah. Saruman had one. Except he fell off his tower and then Pippin pinched it.
Did he?
Yep. Fool of a dog. Oh, there he is.
Just turn the lights off. So a while back, Angela was given as a present this, I think it's called Barad Dur, Sauron's residence, if memory serves, as a present, and Angela and Hannah put it together. It's fantastic. That is amazing, isn't it, really?
Yeah. Well, the Palantir out. Can I step in?
Installation of the lighting kit is a little bit complex and does require a certain amount of disassembly of the model, and in fact the lighting installation was really primarily carried out by Hannah. To further enhance the model, we did acquire a lighting kit that specifically is made for it, and as I mentioned previously, in fact the lights were really installed by Hannah. Impressive. Barad Dur is now in its case. Da-doom! I can't do Lord of the Rings music or whatever it is.